Welcome to our Spring 2020 graduation reception. I don't know about you, but I assure you that I did not anticipate the kind of change we're in the midst of when I was announced as the new MELSA Dean of Engineering a year ago. It's been an interesting year one without a doubt. But without challenges, what would engineers do? The current situation aside, just think of all the amazing achievements that have been made by Cyclone engineers. To name a few, a Fulbright Scholar, a Truman Scholar, top-ranked programs. We were named a top institution for diversifying engineering education. Student-athletes winning conference awards and trending nationally on social media. And from a personal perspective, the pride that I have as an ISU alum being able to return as the Dean of our great College of Engineering. Cyclone engineers are indeed on a roll. Employers, clients, colleagues that you will come across will immediately recognize the value of your degree from Iowa State. The reputation of Cyclone engineers has been solidified over the years and continues to be strengthened by you and those who will follow. My Iowa State degree has served me well. Your degree is a sign of hard work, hands-on experience, and a toolbox loaded with the most important skills required to be successful in our industry. So as you head out on this next chapter of your adventure, we urge you to maintain that connection. Keep in touch, and not just at homecoming. We love to tell others of the successes of our Cyclone engineers on a regular basis. Tag us in your social media. Reach out to your advisors, your professors. You'll always be a part of Cyclone Nation. Congratulations on your accomplishments. Obtaining an engineering degree is not an easy task. We wish we could be there to shake your hand and pat you on the back, but hopefully you'll find this format a nice and relaxing way to chat with colleagues as we watch together. Go Cyclones.
Hello, and thank you for being part of the Iowa State University Department of Aerospace Engineering virtual pre-commencement reception. I'm Ulrich Rothmeier, the Vance and Arlene Kaufman Endowed Department Chair of Aerospace Engineering. We are pleased to join with other departments in the College of Engineering to produce our own special YouTube premiere broadcast to celebrate the accomplishments of our graduates. This broadcast will be archived on YouTube and will be available on demand to anyone in the future. We also have a printed program listing all of our Spring 2020 graduates that can be remotely printed and will serve as a keepsake. This graduation occurs at an unprecedented time in the history of Iowa State University, as we, along with the rest of the world, navigate the challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic and the many changes to life as we know it. Coordinating the final weeks of your academic experience at Iowa State in a new all-virtual world has been a daunting experience for you and for your instructors. For the first time ever, Iowa State moved to an all-virtual plan for classwork and did so with amazing speed in a rapidly changing environment. Iowa State faculty adapted more than 6,000 courses to online instruction. Researchers scrambled to develop plans to continue important research missions without interruption. And you had to adapt to the unprecedented change in your coursework. The Department of Aerospace Engineering, along with all departments and offices of Iowa State, have pulled together to make the best of this difficult situation. As students, your resilience, determination, and ability to adapt, along with the support and inspiration from your families, have been a huge part of the department's and the university's success. And we thank you. Iowa State President Wendy Winterstein has used the term heroic to describe the efforts made to stay the course in the face of this unique set of circumstances. And she's correct. You're all heroes in continuing your educational mission to be here, now, ready to accept your graduation honors. And while we're sad that we cannot gather together in person at this special time, please know that you and your family are in our thoughts today and will continue to be as you make your way to the next venture in this challenging time. This experience, combined with your overall experience at Iowa State, has helped you to become even more adaptable and resilient, which will help prepare you for the future opportunities and challenges you're certain to face. Congratulations to you all. You've worked hard to reach this milestone, and we look forward to hearing from many of you coming up in a few minutes. Before we do that, I would like to recognize the graduates of the Iowa State Aerospace Engineering Department. This semester, 88 undergraduates are receiving their Bachelor of Science degrees from our department. As always, a number of students have received special academic honors for superior performance during their time here at Iowa State. First, receiving the honor of cum laude, which signifies a 3.50 to 3.69 cumulative GPA, are Dylan Bonham, Nicholas Hendrickson, John Lineberger, Gerald Mitchell, Austin Roberts, Alexander Scott, Brianna Staley, and Michael Rona. Receiving the honor of magna cum laude, which recognizes a cumulative GPA of 3.7 to 3.89, are Lucas Davis, Carl DeVries, Cullen Monses, Rachel Schmerbach, Zachary Van Doren, and Evan Wurzerick. And receiving the honor of summa cum laude with a cumulative GPA of 3.90 to 4.0 are John Botsford, David Eddy, Trey Green, Abigail Grease, Matthew Hartzler, Brett Lenz, Justin Peterson, and Bradley Willimack. In addition to university academic honors, the Faculty of Aerospace Engineering have also selected certain undergraduates for department honors. The first of these is the Academic Excellence Award that is given by vote of the faculty to those students in the department who have shown high academic achievement. This year, the award goes to John Botsford, Abigail Grease, and Justin Peterson. In addition, the Overall Achievement Award is given by vote of the faculty to those students who have an overall combination of high academic achievement, high professional achievement, and high engagement with the department and community. This year, the award goes to Carl DeVries, David Eddy, Brett Lenz, Rachel Schmerbach, and Michael Rona. Congratulations to all of our recipients of special honors, and again, congratulations to each of you who are graduating. You'll carry with you the distinction of receiving a degree from the Iowa State Department of Aerospace Engineering as you strive to make the world a better place for all of us. And now let's hear from our faculty and staff and our graduates, your classmates and friends, who have prepared special video messages. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Despite the current situation, I hope you can celebrate your achievement. The commencement is time for you to enjoy the moment with your family and friends as all the hard work and persistence have paid off. If you allow me, I would like to share advice that my advisor shared with me many years ago. The advice has stuck with me all these years, and I hope some of these points will be useful to you now and in the future. So number one, it is time to turn pro. It is important to be quick and be on time. When the time comes and we are able to meet each other, it is important to dress like a pro. Number two, study the science of human behaviors. Become a good listener, learn to interpret body language, learn when to speak and when not to speak. Number three, read books as often as possible. A good book I can recommend is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Number four, take care of your body. It's the only one you've got. Eat well and exercise often. And number five, as a person who teaches jet and rocket propulsion, remember our motto, in thrust we trust. I wish you best of luck and success in the future. Congratulations, class of 2020.
You are the class of 2020. Your graduation is both a milestone and a stepping stone. For some of you, I know you are moving directly into a new job. But for others, there is uncertainty, shattered plans, which will require time to regroup. Know that you have the needed skills and abilities to gather information, to think and analyze, and yes, to make decisions based on facts. As an engineer, you have a duty to uphold the standards and dignity of our profession, to serve humanity by making the best use of the Earth's resources, to be honest and use your skills for the public good, and to make a difference. You face unique challenges as the global community looks beyond COVID-19, but know that this is still your time. You have unparalleled opportunities. Step out with confidence. Congratulations, class of 2020.
It has been a pleasure knowing many of you, both inside and outside of the class. I hope I made your time with me both challenging and worthwhile. And you will remember the bittersweet memories of this time. I would like to quote from a great philosopher and professor of economics, Chanakya, and this was around 250 before Christ. What he said was that today we give you a problem and you have to find the answer. I know the answer, you find the answer. But now, after graduation, you are entering a phase of your life where first you have to define the problem, okay, and then try to find an answer to it. Life could be quite difficult. So the real world would be a very different place. And so, I would like to wish you all the best in life, and whatever you choose as a career, I would like to give you my best wishes, and hopefully you will all succeed. Thank you very much.
This is Brad Eilers, Academic Advisor for Aerospace Engineering at Iowa State. I just want to say congratulations to all of our graduating seniors this semester. I've probably worked with each and every one of you at some point during your time at Iowa State, whether that be as your advisor or teaching your freshman engineering 101 class or just interacting with you at one of our aerospace engineering events. But I just wanted to say congratulations. All the hard work and dedication that you put in has finally paid off. Good luck after graduation, and go Cyclones.
Hello, graduating seniors. While I'm sure that all of you never expected to be graduating virtually, it is very important to remember that this situation in no way minimizes the incredible accomplishments that you have achieved. Iowa State is my alma mater, and thinking back to my graduation, how proud I was and how proud my friends and family were, I'm positive that this is also true for you as well as your friends and family. However, we all know that this is really just the beginning of your journey. The opportunities I had after graduating from Iowa State were truly incredible, and so it will be with you if you choose it to be. You have worked hard to this point. You must continue to prove yourselves and work to unleash your potential. Go out, learn more, and achieve incredible things for you and for the world. Congratulations to the Aerospace Engineering Iowa State University graduating class of 2020.
Congratulations, class of 2020, on completing your degree. It has been a pleasure to get to work with many of you this last year working through the design process. I wish we could have built and been flying your prototypes these last few weeks, but the additional skills you have learned will also be very beneficial in your careers. You have shown us your ability to persevere through tough times and work through any challenge that is brought your way. I wish you the best in your future endeavors.
Hey all you cool cats and kittens, it's Nikki Gupta, an academic advisor in the department. I just wanted to congratulate you on all your accomplishments. It wasn't easy, but you did it. You should be so proud of yourselves. We're sure going to miss seeing you on campus, but I'm sure you're going to miss some things about the university and the college and even the department. Some of those things could be the Iowa State Daily Joke of the Day, those $5 button lunches for Engineers Week, and those engineering mechanics courses. Those were fun, am I right? But most of all, I'm sure you'll miss seeing your friends on campus on a daily basis. It's going to be an adjustment to start adulting, but you can do it. You've made it this far. Congratulations, all the best, and remember, sky's the limit.
Class of 2020, I am walking across the stage with you in spirit. I also came to Iowa State University for the first time in August of 2016, so you are the very first class that I have gotten to watch grow from freshmen all the way to seniors. I am going to miss my amazing undergraduate researchers so much. I am so proud of the independent thinkers that you have become. You will always be members of the Laboratory for Temporal Logic and Aerospace Engineering, and please feel free and feel very welcome to come back and visit anytime. To all of you, remember the lesson from ARI 361, always plan and analyze your algorithm first. Go forth and write safe code.
Hello. I want to congratulate you on successfully graduating with a bachelor's in aerospace engineering from Iowa State University. The fact that you have survived our intense curriculum is a testimony to the fact that you're ready for the outside world. We have strived to prepare you for solving challenging engineering problems of the future, and I sincerely hope that we have equipped you with some tools which can assist you to begin your quest to find answers to such problems. The journey will be long and, from my experience, lifelong, but the journey will be rewarding and enjoyable. I hope that in the last few years you have not only learned something about aerospace engineering, but also formed bonds and friendships not only with your peers, but also with us, the faculty, which will stay with you for the rest of your life. I wish you all the best and hope that our paths will cross again. Congratulations.
Hello, class of 2020 Aerospace Engineering graduate. Congratulations on the completion of your degree. I have had the privilege of having some, but perhaps not all of you in my class. But regardless, I would like to wish you all great success in future endeavors and what you choose to do next. We are going through unprecedented times right now, but life always brings both challenges and chances. I know you have already overcome many challenges both in your academic and personal life, and this will not be different. Hang in there. Your strong spirit and a desire for success and growth will help you to snatch the chances and beat the challenges. Congratulations on your graduation. May you live a happy and proud life.
Congratulations, class of 2020. Professor Vogel here at home, riding the storm out in Missouri. While these are trying times for all of us, it's especially impacted you by the timing of this thing. You know, I know the aerospace industry probably isn't hiring as robustly as they have in the past, but, you know, hang in there. It can only get better. And one other thing to keep in mind, you know, the training that you've received is more than just aerospace engineering. You have a basic background in engineering. During my career, for instance, you know how the saying goes, well, I'll never need to use that again. I've almost used everything I've learned in my undergraduate studies and my graduate studies, plus went way beyond that. So, you know, don't be adverse to learning new things. You know, I'm an aerospace engineer, but I've done a lot of things like electromagnetics, microwaves, chemistry. I wrote a finite rate chemistry code with over 100 reactions. And I really did not care for chemistry too much as an undergrad, and I didn't take any chemistry as a graduate student. So, you know, you have to go out there and learn, be willing to learn new things. If the aerospace industry doesn't come back quickly, you're more than capable of taking a good engineering job in a different field. You just have to, you know, probably learn some basic stuff and then, you know, apply that. So hang in there. It can only get better. And for right now, you know, let's celebrate your achievements and enjoy this monumental day in your life. Thank you.
Hey, Spring 2020 graduates. My name is Jackie Kester. I'm one of the Aerospace Academic Advisors for any family and friends who aren't familiar with all of our faculty and staff. I have the pleasure of working with quite a number of you who are graduating this semester, and while I certainly wish that we could all be together in person to celebrate this major milestone in your lives, I do hope that you can feel all of the love and good vibes coming your way from the aerospace department, wherever you might be right now. As your adventure at Iowa State is coming to a close, I do hope that you will keep in touch with us. Let us know where your career ends up taking you. And for any of you who might be visiting campus again in the future, please make sure that you stop in to say hello to us, especially since we didn't get a chance to say goodbye to most of you before we left campus this semester. Anyway, congratulations to all of you on this major accomplishment, and best of luck as you start out in this next phase of your career.
Hello, this is Caitlin Traum, and I'm an advisor for the Aerospace Engineering Department. I wanted to come on here and say congratulations on this huge success from graduating from Iowa State University. When you look back, I hope you think about all the memories and the wonderful friendships you made here while in Ames, Iowa. Congratulations, you did it. I am so excited to see all that you do in your future. Go Cyclone Nation.
Hello, I'm John Botsford. I'm from Marshall, Minnesota, just under 5 hours away from ISU. Thinking back on my time here, the memories that stick out to me are the ones with good friends. Those Halloween parties, birthday parties, Christmas parties were really a blast. Not to say my time there was a breeze, no way. Riemann Gardens was definitely always a beautiful place to visit though when things did get tough. Finally, in my last semester, I made some of my best memories playing boot hockey in the backyard and spending Thursday nights with Brian, Nick, and Abby. Shout out to them. This coming August, I'll start a leadership development program with Textron, and I'm really excited for what's to come.
Thanks, it's great to be here. So my name is Max Brunner. I'm from Chanhassen, Minnesota, just outside of Minneapolis. Let's go with you. Yeah, sure. That's a tough one. I think my favorite memory's gotta just be the late night conversations that we have at the lab at 3 a.m. None of them make sense, but they'll always make me laugh. Okay. Future plans. I actually got hired out at Edwards Air Force Base doing flight test engineering for a squadron out there. So hopefully I'll start later in the summer, but looking forward to it. And I think that's all the time. So thanks.
Hey everybody, my name is Brian Kowski. I'm from Geneva, Illinois, and my favorite memory from my time in aerospace engineering has got to be my time on the collegiate wind competition team when we went down to Boulder, Colorado and competed for a week at the National Renewable Energy Laboratory. It was just a week full of testing and learning and a ton of fun. My future plans are to move down to Hunt Valley, Maryland to work with Textron Systems as an aerospace engineer.
Hello, my name is Carl DeVries. I'm from Pella, Iowa. My favorite memory in the department is the Iowa State Spaceflight Operations Workshop. First, because I picked up a new hobby in scuba diving. And second, because I picked up a lot of new friends who, to this day, I go to for advice and have made further memories with. So I'm pretty excited to graduate beside them. This summer, I will be working for the Charles Stark Draper Laboratory in Houston, Texas. I will be working on the Orion capsule, lunar gateway, and a human landing system, guidance and navigation, before coming back to Iowa State to finish a Master's of Engineering this fall. Go State!
I'm David Eddy from Taylor Ridge, Illinois. The best thing about aerospace engineering at Iowa State is the Air E-160 fly-off. As a freshman, you get to do something with real hands-on work and see something fly that you actually worked on. And then every year after that, it's just one of those things you stop by, see the new freshmen, see how they're doing, and it really helps you realize how much you've grown every single year. After I graduate, I will be starting a full-time job at Collins Aerospace.
Hi everyone, my name is Abby Grease and my hometown is Marion, Iowa. I'd say one of my favorite memories of my time in the aerospace program was this past semester when our team's senior design, UAS, took flight for the first time. It was really great to see all of our hard work over the past 2 semesters pay off, even if it was virtually. And a lot of my favorite memories have included my friends John, Nick, and Brian. We've had a really great couple years together, and I'm so thankful that I met you guys. I'm also really thankful for the support that my parents have given me over the past 4 years. And then after graduation, I'm going to work for Collins Aerospace in Cedar Rapids, Iowa as a systems engineer.
My name is Justin Lajoie, and I'm from Ankeny, Iowa. My favorite part about the aerospace program here at Iowa State is the fact that anytime you go to a professor with an idea and a lot of passion, they're always willing to help you make it work. And that's driven me to create my own hybrid rocket that you can see right here. And what my future plans are is I plan on going to Iowa State in the fall and finishing my master's degree. And then from there, I plan on moving on towards my doctorate.
Hi, my name is John Lineberger. I'm from Woodbury, Minnesota. For those of you who don't know, I started off in aerospace engineering but switched to mechanical for 2 years. So my favorite memory is switching back to aerospace engineering. For after graduation plans, I'll be working at Northrop Grumman in the Rolling Meadows location in Illinois for my first year of 3 rotation programs. And I'm hoping to stay in the Midwest for one of those, but then I'll probably explore a little bit after that. Thank you to Iowa State and all of my graduates, my fellow graduates, for all of you who have given me and all the fun times in the labs, especially the HAL lab. Go Cyclones.
Hi, my name is Catherine Paskowitz and I'm from Johnston, Iowa. My favorite times at Iowa State have definitely been the moments where I've been involved in student organizations. I've been involved in Engineers Week since I literally stepped onto campus as a freshman, and I've also been super heavily involved in Engineering Student Council. Just the people that I got to meet through those opportunities and the connections that I've built have made my experience here so much more memorable and so much more meaningful. So I'm super thankful to the College of Engineering as a whole for that. After graduation, I will be moving to Madison, Wisconsin, where I have accepted a position as a project manager at Epic Systems, a healthcare software company. So, like I mentioned, I'm super thankful for all the opportunities I've had at Iowa State, and I just can't wait to see what happens in the future.
Hi everyone, my name is Rachel Schmierbach, and I'm from Dubuque, Iowa. My favorite aerospace memory is just all the late nights and how I got to spend with friends studying and how they always managed to make it fun. After graduation, I will be moving to Seattle to work at Boeing as a structures engineer on the 777X program.
My name is Austin Vidito. I am from Waukee, Iowa. My favorite Iowa State memory as a whole is spending the summer in Valencia, Spain, and completing an internship while there. My favorite aerospace engineering specific memory is certainly without question designing, building, and flying an aircraft as part of senior design. I'd like to thank Jackie and Brad in advising, as well as Dr. Bella Kim. You all have done a great deal to help me get to this point, and I'm sure to help many, many other students get to this point. And I'm extremely thankful for everything that you've done.
Hello, my name is Colton Voth. I'm from Stevens Point, Wisconsin. My favorite memory at Iowa State was traveling to Tucson, Arizona my freshman year for the AIAA Design Build Fly Fly-Off competition. I got to meet and network with some great aerospace engineering folks from around the world. We also got to explore the area in close by beautiful Mount Lemmon. After graduation, I'll be starting full-time as a structural analysis engineer at the Boeing Company in St. Louis.
My name is Ryan Widener, and I'm from Huntsville, Alabama. My favorite memories from my time at Iowa State in the aerospace department are probably leading the Make 10 Project Eagle Eye and getting to join the Aerospace Engineering Honor Society Sigma Gamma Tau. For my future plans, I've accepted a job as an aerospace engineer in Huntsville, Alabama, and I'll continue to work towards my master's and eventually my PhD. I want to extend a thank you to everyone from the front office, especially Marty, my academic advisor, Jackie, and all of the staff and faculty that made my experience at Iowa State a wonderful time.
Hi, my name is Evan Wazorek, and I'm originally from Palatine, Illinois. My favorite memory of aerospace engineering is all the late nights in the Howe Hall Computer Lab. And after graduation, I'll be moving to Houston, Texas, and working for NASA. There, I'll begin training as a flight controller to work on the International Space Station in Mission Control.
Hi, my name is Michael Arona. I'm from Madness Heights, Minnesota, and I have two favorite memories from studying aerospace engineering. My first is cheering on the freshmen during their LTA competitions with my friends. Those are always fun to watch. My second is spending all the late nights in the Howe Computer Lab, powering through homework assignments and projects with friends. Those are definitely fun times. After graduation, I am planning on pursuing graduate school and a PhD in aerospace engineering. I'd like to say congratulations to the class of 2020, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what our next chapter in life will be.